In today's fashion-driven world, quality, speed, and reliability define success. We are Flairmart Lifestyle Private Limited, a Tirupur-based apparel and merchandise solutions company. We specialize in creating high-quality customized clothing and lifestyle products for brands, businesses, clubs, and organizations. Our capabilities span across end-to-end apparel solutions, from fabric sourcing and garment manufacturing to advanced printing and branding techniques like screen printing, DTF, vinyl printing, sublimation, and embroidery. Whether it's corporate wear, promotional merchandise, club apparel, or private labels, we bring ideas to life. What sets us apart is our commitment to quality, customization, and consistency. We focus on premium materials, precise execution, competitive pricing, and on-time delivery, making us a reliable long-term partner for your brand. If you're looking for a manufacturing partner who understands fashion, branding, and scale, Flairmart Lifestyle is here for you. Dial us now for a free consultation.